Hello, Hail Stalkers. This is Derek Klein coming to you from the Hail Palace here at Hail Trace, and expecting an active week of severe weather today and an active day, honestly. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the forecast for today, March 31st. That's what we're going to focus on with today's forecast. And here's what we've got going on. So we've got a very moist environment that's going to stream up from the Gulf of Mexico. It's actually already in place across parts of Oklahoma City, Dallas. If you noticed, it was warm, humid, foggy this morning. And we've got some dry air that's going to actually surge in from the west. And so as this moves from the west into this area, we're going to set up a battleground. We've got a low pressure that's going to develop, a warm front that's draping across central and northern Oklahoma, a dry line out west, and it's going to create that battle zone, that area that we like to see when we're looking for severe weather. So this is where it's going to set up. So areas from Oklahoma City down towards Wichita Falls, all in the battle zone for the opportunity for some severe weather and some hail today as we go through the afternoon, evening, and overnight hours. So this is what we're looking at kind of as a setup, the ingredients. So we want to take a look. This is actually a new graphic that we put together for you. So we're going to take a look, first of all, at the instability. Actually, a fairly unstable atmosphere in place across this area today. We've got lots of moisture in place and lots of heat in place. So that's going to create a moderately unstable atmosphere across parts of southwest, central Oklahoma, and northwest Texas. The moisture for this time of year, low to moderate. As we get into May, this number will go up quite a bit. And the shear, this is actually the limiting factor that we have today. So this is what's keeping this from being a much bigger outbreak type of day. This will keep the tornado threat fairly low. This will also keep the wind threat fairly low. But shear today, low for sure. So that's kind of what we've got for the ingredients, what's in place. So what does it mean for each location? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the hail forecast for Wichita Falls, Texas. Max hail size, again, with that instability being way up like we just showed, that creates the opportunity for some very large hail. So 2.75 baseball size hail is possible, not likely in every location, but it is possible across parts of northwest Texas. The chance of hail in Wichita Falls itself, so this is quarter size hail or larger, we've got a 20% chance that we could have some hail in the Wichita Falls area that's quarter size hail or larger, with the potential to get up to baseball size hail in the Wichita Falls area. Wind driven hail, about 65 mile per hour winds will be possible with these severe thunderstorms as we go through the day, the evening hours, and the overnight hours. Again, expecting the time frame about 5 to 11 o'clock tonight. That is the time frame for the Wichita Falls area. Let's go ahead and jump up into Oklahoma. Let's take a look at Lawton, Oklahoma, where we've got, again, baseball size hail possible. The chance of hail a little bit higher, so we're going with a 30% chance of hail across the area for Wichita Falls, or excuse me, for Lawton. Wind-driven hail, about 65 mile per hour winds. Again, the time frame really about the same, 5 to 11 p.m. across this part of the state. And the last location that we want to take a look at is the Oklahoma City metro area. Looks like it may be a little bit later in the evening, 6 to midnight across the Oklahoma City area. The opportunities there for potentially up to golf ball size hail. We are monitoring some trends to see if this may shift a little bit further to the north, which would increase this hail size. So we'll watch this. But as it stands right now, we'll go with isolated opportunities for golf ball size hail. Chance of hail right now in Oklahoma City, only about 10%. But again, if this shifts to the north, that could increase that threat for Oklahoma City as we go through the evening hours. And wind-driven hail, about 60 mile per hour winds will be possible with these storms. So definitely not a locked-in day for Oklahoma City that we will have some nasty weather, but the potential is there. So we just want to make you aware of it, and we'll be tracking that. If you're a hail stalker or you're a subscriber to Hail Trace, we'll be sending out text alerts to let you know when and where the hail is actually occurring at. Those are live alerts sent out by our meteorologists. And we'll also have the hail maps and everything online for you as soon as they are completed, which is always very fast. So if there's anything that we can do for you, of course, always let us know. Our number is 855-334-4245, and info@HailTrace is a great way to contact us by email. We hope you have a great day.